Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology True or False, Part 46. Let's go to our quiz. The two forms of archaeobacteria that can be found near volcanoes are thermosidophils and halophils. False. If a researcher wanted to use rod-shaped bacteria in her experiment, she should use the type of bacilli. True. Euglena are more plant-like than animal-like. False. The digestion of fungi is similar to other heterotrophs in that they digest food by first absorbing it and then breaking it down with enzymes into its nutritional components. False. Common moulds, sac fungi, club fungi, and imperfect fungi are representatives of 4 different major phyla or fungi. True. Lichen and mycorrhiza are 2 phyla of the kingdom Fungi. False. Ascomyta and Basidiomycota are 2 phyla of the kingdom Fungi that produce fruiting bodies. True. One aspect of fungi that is beneficial to humans is their role as decomposers, returning nutrients into the food chain. True. Budding is the reproductive strategy used by most fungi. False. One way that fungi are beneficial to humans is that they can act as bioindicators of airborne pollutants when in a mutualistic relationship called mycorrhiza. False. A kingdom is the broadest of all the taxa. False. A dichotomous key gives each species a scientific name that has 2 parts. False. Mushrooms belong to domain Eukarya and kingdom Plantae. False. The virus that causes the common cold is a member of kingdom Bacteria. False. Plants are predominantly autotrophic with some heterotrophic exceptions. True. A common viral disease is chickenpox. True. The shapes of viral capsids are similar in all viral types. False. A group of people received a test for HIV. Many of the people that tested positive showed no signs of infection. This is possible because the viral protein can be inactive for many years. False. The difference between a disease-causing prion and a non-disease-causing one is in its shape. True. If a person is suffering from a disease caused by a prion, the part of the body most affected is the heart. False. The cell wall of a water mould is composed of chitin. False. One of the characteristics that biologists use for further classify protozoans into different phyla is their method of reproduction. False. Dear friends, thank you very much for attending to Biology True or False, Part 46. Let's meet again in Biology True or False, Part 47. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.